What's up, everybody? My name's Sebastian, and we're gonna play Goodcraft. This is my new channel now. Subscribe to my other channel, okay? So yeah, Xbox Live New World. Oh, well, I got Xbox Live, but not now. Whoa, whoa! There's a new thing in Goodcraft. That's cool. That's cool. Now let's play. Oh my God! Wait, slime up. This is Goodcraft. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God, guys! Wait, let me look at my brother's tablet. Does he have that? What? I got Minecraft. Nope. It's not supposed to look like that. But, okay. I don't know how I got pistons. This is not Minecraft. Wait a minute. Wait, let me just erase that. Goodcraft. And put Goodcraft again. What the heck? Oh my God. Oh my God. I got Minecraft Pocket Edition on Mexico. Oh my God. Wait, guys, wait. Wait, guys, let me just do something. Let me see Minecraft. I don't even have Minecraft Pocket Edition. Best day ever. Oh my God. Now let me put this in creative.
The first challenge will be to jump off this 60-foot cliff. The first two contestants to jump off this cliff win.
God.
And get to pick this season's team. This should be easy. Oh yeah, one more thing. You must land into the safe zone filled with clean spring water. Because if you don't, you will land in elephant feces. What's feces? Feces. It's a nice word for crap. The kids at the pool. If you fall into the elephant poop, you lose.
Kids, I don't have Minecraft Pocket Edition, but this is the best day ever. I go with my brother. I gotta. How does piston work?
And it looks like
Oh my God. Note block. Blah. Okay, please say the bouncy stuff. Slime blocks? Yay, the slime blocks! Oh my freaking god. Let me try to make my house. I guess this is have to go craft. Where can I make my house? Well, let me find a.
Oh, come on. This should have been done a while ago. Wait. Is that blue?
Oh my god. Wait, I can still make my portal.
Also wins, which means they can pick the team. But next episode, yeah, you heard correctly. Next episode.
Okay. I guess I made it wrong. Now I need flint. Nope. Yep, I made it wrong. Yep. Too small. I guess I made it too small. There we go. Good. Okay. Portal. Woohoo! Gasp! Oh. That is too scary. Too scary. We die. That was scary. I will end this there. God. So subscribe to me. Bye.